Hello everyone, welcome to easyedu, and in our today's video I am going to show you how to trade cryptocurrency using Payeer. Payeer is a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell and trade your cryptocurrency. Okay, first of all you will need to create an account in Payeer. After creating an account, I already have an account, so I will just log in. After creating account in Payeer, you will need to deposit some money to your account. For depositing money to your Payeer account, there are different methods. You can use Visa card, MasterCard, and there are many other types of methods you can use for depositing money to your Payeer account. You can also use Payeer, Perfect Money, and other exchanges from where you can transfer your fiat currency to Payeer account. After depositing money to your Payeer account, then you will be able to trade, buy and sell cryptocurrency. Here in the balance section you will see all your currencies or cryptocurrencies that you have. So right now I have USD and Dash. Now for trade, click on this trade section. Now here you will need to select a pair in which you want to trade. I have USD now, so click on USD, and in USD I want to trade Dash. Click on Dash USD pair. You can trade Bitcoin. Here this is BTC, which is Bitcoin, XRP, LTC, and there are many more coins you can trade in Payeer. Now we are in the Dash USD pair. Here I can buy and sell Dash. So if you want to buy and sell Dash, you will need to buy at low price and sell at higher price. Now for example, here you will see the chart. This chart indicates the price. From this chart you can understand the movement of price. Price sometimes go up and sometimes comes down. When the price come down you can buy, and the price goes up you can sell, and from this buy and sell you can earn some money. I have 13 USD and I would like to buy some Dash. So you will need to buy the Dash or any currency at a lower price. Now the market price is 137 and I will try to buy this at lower price. So I will set the price here to 136. And I would like to buy with all of my money, which is 13 USD. Click on buy. Now when the price comes down to 136, my order will be automatically filled. Here you will see my orders, my history, and this is the history, total history of all the orders. When my order is filled, I will have some Dash. Now I already have some Dash. If I want to sell this, then I would like to sell the Dash at a higher price, and I would like to sell this at 140. When the price reaches to 140 USD, my order will be automatically filled and I will receive USD in my account. That's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.